Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Now, this is the second time I'm doing this intro now because I did the intro, I played for about 5 minutes and my computer froze, which obviously stopped the recording, and so I backed out of the game. Now I don't know if it's going to save from where I was or whether it will go back to the beginning of the level because I only went like 5 minutes in, it wasn't far at all. So I'm going to press continue, and where we end up, we end up. Hopefully we will go back just those 5 minutes so you can see what happened. If not, then I'll explain. So let's see. Okay, yeah, it's back to where we was. Okay, so basically, if I just go back here, if you remember, before we was here and I had to climb up this thing, well, I managed to finally do that. And I went over and literally I just killed a few people over there and opened the bridge for this person here. I don't know who she is, but yeah, she seems to be following me around. So let's get back into this before I die. Okay. Right. Now let's get this health because I actually picked this up before, but for some reason I've got extra of it now. Let's change weapon. This is more powerful, this one. Leveled up. Nice. Alright, so she don't really seem to be doing much damage, so she's no help at all. Let's just pick up this. Right, where are we going? What we doing? What we saying? Are we going over here? Yes, we are.
Oh man, 2 tanks!
Oh, shit. Okay. This should help. The more stuff in. Okay, well that's one down.
Yeah, 1 tank down.
And that's 2. See, that pixelizer is good, it weakens on it a lot actually.
And you can't even kill a few galactic rangers? Where's your pride? You like living under...
Is there another tank? What? Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, it's in the wrong place again, you're up there. I've got a feeling the tank's about to dance. Okay. Die, please die. Ow! Oh, that thing there. Go away. Stop making people! Oh shit, I died.
Come on.
Good work. I just died, you bellend. Please don't tell me I've got to face the tanks again.
Oh man, 2 tanks!
Answer my question. Pixelizer time. Ow. Ow. Ow! Fuck me, go away. I'm getting wrecked. What?
Good work. Come on, Star Watch is this way.
Okay. Okay. Let's try again.
Oh man, 2 tanks!
Ow! Why are you so powerful for? Oh, for fuck's sake, go away. Oh, it's them pricks up there.
Oh boy.
Hold on. Can't do anything. Is there an, there's another? They're both still there.
I am disappointed.
No, I just killed the wrong tank.
Good work. Come on, Star Watch is this way. Oh man, 2 tanks.
Down.
Holy shit. Fuck off.
Yeah, 1 takedown.
I am disappointed in all of you.
No, no, no. Go away, go away, go away,
All of
go
you
away.
galactic rangers.
Is he dead? Is he dead? Are they both dead?
Your pride.
Both dead. Okay.
You like living underground?
Yeah, you start dancing.
Okay, you're clear. Let's get to the Star Watch defense cannon.
Yay.
Come on, let's get this door open.
That took way longer than it should have. Fuck my life. Free money. It's free. Guess I'm going over there at some point. Let's go. Yeah, that was Mario. No idea.
We're at the defense cannon, but it looks like the system's on lockdown. We need to get this thing online and fast.
And how do I do that?
Perhaps the trespasser will be used.
Ah, shit, not this thing.
Upgraded security. I just upgraded your trespasser so it can activate and deactivate rings. Can you test it out for me by deactivating the ring? Excellent. Now test the activation functionality. Perfect. Thanks. And be sure to use this new functionality from now on.
Yes. Fuck that.
Star Watch defense cannon online.
Nice, Ratchet. Hop on the defense cannon. I'll cover you.
Fuck yeah.
We're gonna take down those warships one by one. When the cannon charges, open fire. Those holes are too thick for standard ordnance. We have to. Shooting down the smaller ships will charge your ion cannon.
Die.
Star Watch ion
Double kill.
25.
Fuck. Double kill, there we go.
Cannons ready. Fire!
Wrecked. Well, it's gonna take ages.
No, but congratulations.
There's so many.
Incoming missile detected.
Shit.
Starwatch ion cannon at
Shit.
5%. Starwatch ion cannon armed.
Ah!
Hit confirmed.
Go away. Leave me alone. Well. How am I supposed to shoot these little ones when I've got these fuckers shooting shit at me as well?
Starwatch ion cannon.
Shit, shit, shit. Oh, fuck. Can't say that one now. Listen out.
Starwatch ion cannon.
Fire again!
How many times do I have to do this?
Shooting!
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, shit, shit.
Ion cannon at 25%.
Whoa. That was closer than I wanted it to be. Can you?
Starwatch ion.
Cannons ready!
Shit, shit, shit.
Nice work, kid.
They're retreating!
We did it!
That's more intense than I thought it was going to be.
With the Galactic Ranger.
Yeah! Woohoo! We should head back to the ship.
Is everything done here? Yes. Sweet. Get off this bloody thing now. Take me to my ship. Oh, see you later. Oh, she's in there with me. No, she ain't. Where is she?
What's at the rest of Drake?
Oh, bye then.
Laris, confirm.
Copy that, Brax. All remaining warships are turning back towards Cortu. You guys did great.
Why can't I fly?
Agree. Sorry I couldn't be with you today. I hope you know I was with you in spirit. Let's rendezvous and follow those blarg back to Quartu.
Where's my
Be
jetpack?
that, Captain. We'll see you in a bit.
Looks like we're secure. You did well today, Ratchet.
Ahem.
You too, Clank. I'll see you both on Cortu.
Where the fuck's my ship? How the fuck do I get over there?
Maybe think about upgrading your pixelizer, huh? Ammo full.
28. Oh, I'm so close. Right, let me just check if there's any corners I can break. Oh, come on, I need 500 more. Did it happen? Did it happen? No! I want to buy it! So, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, well. This. Fuck yeah.
Oh, I just might make my quota this week. Good luck with your warmonger.
Shall I use it now or save it? Let's save it. And we're back to the ship. Right.
New flight coordinates.
Wait, what? What? I thought I was. Oh, I thought I was almost finished. Wait, as it scrolls down. Alright, not doing the optional ones. Optional. Optional. So where are we going? Meet up with the Galactic Rangers, or meet up with? Guess we just got to go to the next one, haven't we? Let's do it.
Home base to Alpha Team. Time has come to give our new planet the
What the fuck is that? It's like a flying
galaxy.
ladybird. What? Not ladybird.
This planet.
Caterpillar. That's the one.
German. You heard him, team. Activate all harvesters. If anyone even gets close to those harvesters, ice them.
Well, this looks like it's going to be a lovely underwater map.
Pokitaru's water supply was in trouble. If Ratchet and Clank failed to destroy Drek's hydro harvesters, this tropical paradise
Give me my rocky.
would become a desert wasteland.
Hey, over here!
This area looks pretty cool to me. Alright, mate.
Oh, dip me in breadcrumbs and feed me to a snagglebeast. Grim told me he was friends with the Lombax, but I didn't believe him. I've never seen one in real life before. You must be Ratchet.
This is so weird. The resemblance. It's...
Uncanny, I know.
Grim asked us to help you destroy Drek's hydro harvesters.
If you're gonna destroy those things, we're gonna have to upgrade your ship. It just so happens the best upgrade guy in the galaxy is here for a
It
comment.
sounded like we need to upgrade your shit. I didn't hear what I was meant to do. Shit. Find the technician.
The Puffoids have been...